RILM Music Encyclopedias, or RME, is a continuously expanding global online repository of music encyclopedias and dictionaries with 45 titles in multiple languages published from 1775 to the present. Now we will take a brief tour of this rich music resource. Let's start on the advanced search screen. You can easily limit your results by publication year, subject, geographic entry, language, or publication title. You can select multiple values by holding the Control key. Each year, new titles are added, and each quarter the database expands to include new entries for encyclopedias, such as Komponisten der Gegenwart. Let's look at how RME enables research across over 40 encyclopedias, and remember, that number will grow each year. Let's launch a basic search on harpsichord. Peruse the first 10 search results. You see the entries for harpsichord in multiple languages. Nearly 5,000 encyclopedia headings have equivalencies so that different language-specific spellings, such as those for instruments, clavichord, or composers, Tchaikovsky, yield the maximum number of search results possible. Let's launch a search on Mozart using the advanced search screen and limiting results to geographic entry. Of course you find the expected results, such as Salzburg, but if you scroll further you will find unexpected results, such as the entry The Middle East by Jane Prendergast from the Encyclopedia of Music in the 20th Century. Here you find out that Fairuz had a wide repertoire, including Mozart, flamenco, Balkan folklore, and Latin American rumbas. This knowledge is crucial for an ethnomusicologist working on Fairuz, one of the most widely admired living singers in the Arab world, or a historical musicologist working on Mozart reception in the Middle East. Yet they would likely never find it by going to the shelf and looking through the hard copy, because it is not indexed. And last, search Klaus Huber, the composer born in 1924 in Switzerland. RME contains an ongoing, continuously updated encyclopedia, Komponisten der Gegenwart. Huber's particular entry was updated in 2015. Music researchers can easily compare entries from different encyclopedias. This is not only valuable for researching living composers, but also for seeing how at a given time in history a composer had been presented and perceived. If you've become curious about the reference works in RME, you can see the list of titles with brief descriptions at rilm.org/encyclopedias. If you are interested in a free trial or would like a subscription right away, please contact your EBSCO sales representative and find more information at EBSCOhost.com. Thank you.